Hello everyone! Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking! Today, my supervisor, Sui-chan, is here. She became 8 months old. Yay! She eats more and sleeps less, but moves more. So she's getting so excited and energetic girl. As you see, she's interested in many things. She tries to pull, she tries to catch, and sometimes push. Yeah, so very energetic. Yeah. I hope you watched my previous series, Baby Food in Japan, 5 to 6 months old. And Sui-chan became 8 months old now, so I thought it's good timing to introduce what she's been eating for past 2 months. Yay. After this filming, she will eat. So actually she's a little bit hungry now, so I have to start quickly. Okay everyone, let's get started. Okay, let's start. So the big change from the last video is that she started eating dashi soup stock. And dashi is a very traditional and basic soup for Japanese cooking. And it's usually made of kelp, bonito flakes, and shiitake mushrooms, or sardines, dried sardines. But now she's still baby, so I use bonito flakes only. So this is the bonito flakes. Okay, now let's make dashi together. So I usually use a strainer and small pots. So this is the 1 liter water for that pot. So once it starts to heat, I put the bonito flakes in here. Okay, now it starts to heat, so let's add bonito flakes. It's really simple to make dashi soup stock. So 1 liter water needs 10 grams bonito flakes. And after boiling, I just take out. Now it's a strain. And once it becomes a normal temperature, I put in an ice cube maker and freeze. And I use within 1 week. You don't need to make dashi soup stock all the time. So I recommend this prep. And also the change from the last video was she started eating udon. Udon is a Japanese noodles. It's made of flour and salt. Udon noodles are a little bit thicker and chewy, and it's long. It's noodles. So for her, I cut into small pieces with using scissors for food. And make small shape and freeze and give her little by little. And she also started eating onion, so I already chopped into small pieces and boiled and freezed. And the broccoli and carrots are same as last one. And also pumpkin, she still like, same as sweet potato. And the new ingredients is eggplant. Even adults, some people don't like the texture of eggplant. I really understand. So I want my daughter to eat eggplants anytime. So I started giving her eggplant. So I just grilled with the skin on. When the surface becomes a black color, I peeled and chopped into small pieces. So this is no peel inside. This is eggplant. And also she started eating egg. This is a boiled egg. She eats only egg yolk. Maybe she's smelling dashi soup stock. Yeah, you see her? I have to cook quickly. Okay, Sui-chan. So have you ever heard natto? Natto is a fermented soybeans. And it's kind of Vegemite in Australia or Marmite in England kind of food. And Japanese people, we are used to eat natto. It's called national food. So at supermarket, you can buy, let's say, 3 of this, $1 or less than $1. So everyday food for Japanese people. And once you open the package, there's usually a mustard and special sauce for natto. It's based on dashi soup stock and soy sauce. Yeah, and there's a plastic cover. And here is natto. Okay, so today let's make baby food with using those ingredients for her, for Sui-chan. So, okay, I prepared 5 container here. So I want to try 5 different dishes with using those ingredients. And okay, so let's try. Okay, I hope you remember porridge. So this is frozen porridge. So I put here inside. And for the porridge, okay, I will choose broccoli. And also carrots. This is how I choose and cook baby food for Sui-chan. And maybe she needs a protein. So I will add another ingredients later. Oh, I have to show you one more ingredient. And she started eating meat. I give her chicken only. And I buy usually ground chicken. After boiling, I put in a Ziploc bag like this and freeze. Same as fish. Okay, now it starts to boil. So after that, please turn off the heat and please strain with using chopsticks. And my family also loves this dashi. And I usually use dashi to make miso soup or other dishes. So I keep for my family too. Okay, now let's continue making baby food for Sui-chan. So this is the porridge with carrot and broccoli. Now I'm gonna use udon. She likes udon so far. So I put udon. To make baby food is like a puzzle. You think about combination, the nutrition and texture and the flavor. So it's really fun. So here's the udon. And for udon, I want to add pumpkin. Actually, it's now defrosted, so it's getting a little bit paste. Okay, so I should use a spatula. So this is the paste. It should be frozen. Pumpkin udon. Okay, so I want to add dashi soup stock here, and also a little bit western taste. I will add cheese. The combination of cheese and dashi is so good, so I really recommend. So it's gonna be a main dish. So let's think about side dish. For side dish, I will mix natto. Natto, you have to stir like this. It has a strings like this. So I remember many of my cooking class guests didn't like or are not get used to tasting natto. But natto has very good nutrition. So if you have a chance, I'm sure the Japanese supermarket in another country, they sell this natto. Maybe in a frozen section, I heard. So please try. Now Sui-chan became grumpy. So she joined like this. Everyone. I'm sure she's getting so hungry, so I have to do quickly. Okay, now it's boiling. The water is boiling, so I add chicken, ground the chicken, and quickly stir to cook. It's a miso chicken, so it's easy and it's fast to be cooked. So let's boil around 5 minutes. So I'll put natto and okay, I will add dashi. Okay, what we can do now? So here is dashi for udon, and this is for porridge, and the dashi cubes for natto. And I put ground chicken later in here. Next one, let's make appetizer too. Okay, and she started eating onion. So here's the onion. And carrots, boiled egg. So like I said, she only eats egg yolk. So I use the special strainer that I introduced the previous video and make egg yolk flakes like this. I like this too. And the chicken is done, so I strain and put in a Ziploc bag like this. So this is what I cooked today. This is a rice porridge with broccoli and carrots and frozen dashi cubes. And this is udon with pumpkin, cheese and dashi cubes. And this is a rice porridge with carrot, onion and egg yolk on top. And this is like a side dish. This is natto, broccoli, chicken and dashi soup stock. And this is the eggplant, cheese, and ground chicken, and also dashi soup stock as a side dish. So I made the 3 main dishes and 2 side dishes today. And I didn't make today, but if you want to make a soup, please use this dashi soup stock. It's already soup, so you can add vegetables, fish, meat. So dashi is so convenient. Okay, so here was a quick summary. So 7 and 8 months old baby, Sui-chan, she started eating dashi soup stock and chicken, ground chicken, and also egg yolk, and also fermented soybean, which is called natto. And she started drinking the tea. She usually drinks hot water or water, but this is a barley tea. Barley tea, barley is a barley. It's to make a beer. People use barley, but this is no alcohol, of course, and it's no caffeine as well. So even pregnant women in Japan drinks this barley tea. So people drink this barley tea. We say mugicha in summertime. And she started enjoying eating orange as well. So that's the summary, and I hope she continue eating well and sleeps well and will be a very energetic baby girl. I'll try to continue this series when she became 9 to 10 months old. So if you're interested in, please give me a big thumbs up, and yeah, please tell me any requests if you have. And thank you for always supporting, subscribing and like this video. I'm so happy to introduce my family recipes to everyone. If you cook those Japanese style baby food, please post the pictures with hashtag YUCa's Japanese Cooking on Instagram or Facebook. I'm always happy to see them. So thank you for watching everyone. See you next series. Bye!